I'm Alistair Wrigley. I'm the Commercial Catering Manager here at Middlesbrough College.
My name is Ivy. I'm the head cook at St John and St James Primary School in Hackney.
I'm Mark Potts. I'm the catering manager at St Hilda's School in Liverpool.
We have around about 13,500 students and around about 1,000 staff that we cater for each day.
250 children in the school, and every day 215 children take the school dinner.
We've had significant growth, so we had to adapt all of the kitchens, and that led to us linking into Rationale and looking at new innovative and modern ways of using equipment.
Very, very helpful because of the size of our kitchen. It's very versatile and we can switch from one cooking method to the other.
Was just impressed with what it could do, the speed with which it cooked, how little energy it used in comparison to conventional cooking methods. Searing meat was incredibly quick.
We can give consistency to the product that we're delivering to all of our customers, and there's a lot more versatility. The new Vario Cooking Centre, which is absolutely fantastic. The staff from day one just loved it, cooking everything from pastas to casseroles, braising,
boiling to steaming to frying. We've used it for spaghetti, bolognese, which is the children's favourite at the moment.
Sean, our chef, every day makes his fresh soup to start with and then goes straight on, because it's so easy and quick to clean out, onto any wet dishes. The variety that it can churn out is absolutely wonderful.
And the fact that we can teach our students, they're so keen to actually learn on this new equipment. The young apprentice that we had in today was blown away, and that just really shows us how we can engage students and work alongside Rationale at looking at academies to teach methods to use, safety and every other aspect of catering to keep the interest and move the industry forward.